In this tutorial, we will see that who shared your Instagram reels. So let's dive right in. So if you open Instagram and from homepage, you can open up your profile and scroll it down. Here is the reel. If you click on these three dots that's showing right upper side, it will open up these options. You can see here there is no any feature here to show you list of people who shared your Instagram reel. But if someone has public account and shared your reel to their Instagram story, you can see it in your notifications for mentions and tags. And you can also know how many people have shared your Instagram reel to their stories. For this, you must have professional account. If you have a personal account, then simply switch it to professional account to access this feature. For this, from your profile, click on this right top side, three lines icon. Scroll it down, open account type and tools. Here it will give you this option switch to professional account. Simply click here and follow the steps. Here you have to select what best describe you and click next. You can select creator and then you have successfully set up this professional account. So now if you open reel and click on these three dots that are showing right upper side, and from here it will give you this option to view insights. Click here and it will show you your real insights like how many people played, likes, share and saves. So if any third party app claims to provide you with detailed insights, then be careful as it may compromise your account security and may violate Instagram terms and conditions. So these were the steps to see who shared your Instagram reel in just few steps.